In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to a shared Google Drive folder. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Start by going to your Gmail or email app and make sure you're already logged in. Open the email or message where the shared Google Drive link was sent, then click the link or the open button in the invitation. If the folder doesn't open automatically, go to Google Drive and click on Shared with Me in the left sidebar. From there, locate the shared folder and double-click it to open. Once you're inside the shared folder, click the plus new button in the top left corner, then select File Upload from the drop-down menu. A window will appear where you can choose the files from your computer. Select your files and click Open to begin uploading. Alternatively, you can use a faster method by opening your computer's File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac. Select the files you want, then simply drag and drop them directly into the Google Drive window. After that, wait for the Upload Progress bar in the bottom right corner to complete. Once you see a green check mark, it means your files have been successfully uploaded. You'll also be able to see activity inside the folder, including uploads from other people in the folder owner, so you can keep track of shared files easily. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.